Welcome to my channel, iGallery. Before you begin, discharge your iPhone battery below 25%. A charged lithium-ion battery can catch fire and/or explode if accidentally punctured. Power off your iPhone before beginning disassembly. Remove the two 6.9mm long pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. The watertight adhesive holding the screen in place is very strong. Creating this initial gap takes a significant amount of force. If you're having a hard time opening a gap, apply more heat and gently rock the screen up and down to weaken the adhesive until you create enough of a gap to insert your tool. There are delicate cables along the right edge of your iPhone. Don't insert your pick here, as you may damage the cables. Remove 5 Y00 screws securing the logic board connector bracket. Remove the old screen, LCD, and place a new screen to verify whether the new screen is working fine. We use in-cell screen for this iPhone. Remove the 1.2mm Y000 screw on the back of the display assembly near the infrared camera port. Remove 2 more Y00 screws securing the speaker/sensor assembly. The earpiece speaker is lightly adhered in place. Using a spudger, gently pry under the top edge of the speaker assembly and flip it over, down and away from the top edge of the display. Place back the 1.2mm Y000 screw on the back of the display assembly near the infrared camera port. Place back the 5 Y00 screws securing the logic board connector bracket. Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.